Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best splash guards is probably one of the most overlooked kitchen accessories, but trust me, they're a game changer. These simple yet effective devices are designed to keep food scraps and debris from splashing back up while your garbage disposal is running. They not only protect you from potential messes but also help to keep your kitchen sink area clean and your disposal unit running smoothly, preventing clogs and extending its lifespan. Number 5. QCB-AM Sink Baffle for Evolution Series. Introducing the QCB-AM Sink Baffle, a perfect replacement for your Evolution Series garbage disposal. It's designed to enhance your kitchen experience. This simple upgrade can make a big difference. Made from durable silicone, this 3.25-inch baffle is built to last. It features a drain hole design that ensures smooth water flow. It is a great inexpensive solution to replace an existing nasty sink baffle. This sink baffle prevents food and water from splashing upward. It also prevents any metal from falling into the garbage disposer. It keeps your kitchen clean and protects your disposal. The quiet collar design helps reduce disposer noise by up to 70%. It's also removable and dishwasher safe for easy cleaning. This makes it fast and easy to keep your kitchen clean. Installation is a breeze, with no tools or disassembly required. It's compatible with all standard sinks and disposals from brands like Kohler and Mohn. It is a great choice for your kitchen. What we like. This splash guard is made of durable silicone and designed with a drain hole to keep water flowing smoothly. It also significantly reduces disposal noise. If you are looking for a quiet and easy-to-clean solution, this is the one for you. It's perfect for those who value a peaceful kitchen environment. What people say. Fit perfectly for my InSinkErator. Fits perfectly, and better than the one that came with my disposal. Water is draining through properly, food goes through the guard easily, and it is very easy to remove, clean and reinstall as the material is more pliable. Number 4. Essential Values Garbage Disposal Splash Guard. Is your garbage disposal splash guard old or damaged? This replacement is easy to install. It fits most standard 312-inch sinks. This aftermarket replacement is compatible with InSinkErator disposals and many others. It's designed to fit in place of your old baffle. This splash guard keeps food and debris from splashing up. It also helps prevent silverware and other items from going down the drain. Measuring 314 inches, it fits most standard sinks and disposals. It's a compatible replacement for brands like Kohler, Mohn, and InSinkErator. We stand by our products and believe in our customers. Enjoy your activities without the worry of defective products with this guard. What we like. This splash guard is designed for easy replacement and helps keep unwanted items out of the drain. It fits most standard sinks. If you have a disposal and want a simple, effective way to prevent splashes and protect your drain, you should consider this one. It's a great choice for anyone looking for a hassle-free upgrade. What people say. All disposer baffles work to reduce splashing and keep food from flying out, but this one also deadens the noise significantly better than the one it replaced. This one fit in perfectly. This guard lets the water drain freely and blocks the splash back completely. It sits snugly on the ledge in the drain, so it took longer to get it out of the package than it did to install. Number 3. InSinkErator QCB-AM Quiet Sink Collar. This splash guard is made of durable rubber, offering excellent resistance to corrosion, oil, and heat. It's designed to be easily cleaned and reused, ensuring long-lasting performance. Installing this splash guard is incredibly easy and takes just seconds. You won't need any extra tools. It's also simple to remove and clean or replace. This product isn't just for kitchens. You can use it in bathrooms, restrooms, shopping centers, schools, and offices. It's perfect for any sink or sewer system. The splash guard prevents food and water from splashing, keeping your kitchen clean. It also reduces the garbage disposer's noise by up to 70%, making your kitchen a more pleasant place. The package includes one garbage disposal splash guard. The outer diameter is 3.46 inches, with a height of 0.5 inches, and the inner diameter is 2.55 inches. What we like. Made of high-quality and durable rubber, this splash guard is easy to install and clean. It also reduces disposal noise by up to 70%. If you like a quiet kitchen and want a long-lasting, easy-to-use product, this is a great option. It's perfect for those who want both functionality and durability. What people say. With the new splash guard design, there is not as much need to push food through the guard manually, just turning on the faucet flushes food into the disposal. Reduces noise. Makes the garbage disposal practically silent. It fits perfectly over my garbage disposal and completely eliminates those annoying splashes when I'm grinding food scraps. It's also super easy to remove and clean, which is a must-have for me. Number 2. DANCO Disposal Genie Garbage Disposal Strainer. This strainer prevents silverware, jewelry, and other non-food items from accidentally falling into the drain. It's a simple solution to protect your plumbing. With this, you can have peace of mind. The included silicone food scraper is perfect for safely cleaning dishes and pushing food scraps into the garbage disposal. It's a handy tool to keep your sink clean. This makes cleaning up after meals much easier. The Disposal Genie allows the garbage disposal to run freely while acting as a splash guard. It prevents unwanted spray, keeping your kitchen clean. This feature enhances the overall user experience. Designed to fit most standard disposal openings up to 3.26 inches, this product offers a universal fit. It's easy to install and compatible with various disposal units. You don't have to worry about compatibility issues. Made from tough, durable, and dishwasher-safe heavy-duty plastic, this product is easy to clean. Simply put it in the dishwasher. It's designed for convenience and long-lasting use. What we like. This splash guard includes a food scraper and is dishwasher safe, making cleanup a breeze. It also protects your drain from unwanted items. If you are looking for a convenient and easy-to-clean solution with added functionality, you should consider this. It's ideal for those who want a multifunctional product. What people say. It works really well in that it rests on top of disposal's opening. The design is incredible and has made cleaning pots and pans, and the use of the disposal so carefree. The holes are large enough to allow food and debris to drop though, but not a spoon. Number 1. CLEESINK 3 to 1/8 inch Garbage Disposal Splash Guard. This is the perfect addition to your kitchen. It's designed to fit most easy mount disposals, like Waste King and Whirlaway. It will make your kitchen experience better. Tired of water and food debris splashing everywhere? This guard prevents that. It also helps to reduce the noise from your garbage disposal, making your kitchen more peaceful. Installing this splash guard is a breeze, no tools are needed. It's also removable, making it easy to clean and access the disposal. Just make sure your disposal is connected to the sink for a tight seal. Made from high-quality nitrobutadiene rubber, this guard is built to last. It's oil-resistant, wear-resistant, and heat-resistant. The quality of the material ensures a long product life. CLEESINK is dedicated to improving your life. We are innovators, passionate about making your kitchen better. Choose CLEESINK for a better future in your kitchen. What we like. This splash guard is made of premium material and is easy to install and clean. It also reduces disposer noise. If you like a more pleasant kitchen experience and want a durable product, you should consider this. It's perfect for those who value quality and a quiet kitchen. What people say. The splash guard fits perfectly and is easy to install. It is a great replacement for the original splash guard. This splash guard works great and keeps food from splashing up. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.